Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about top 7 skin and health benefits of strawberry and how to make this one of the best summer friendly juice. Strawberry is rich in vitamin C and it is a water soluble vitamin. It also has some anti-inflammatory property which helps in acne treatment purposes. It reduces the ultraviolet damage. It also contains the salicylic acid which fights the hyperpigmentation and the dark spots of our skin. It brightens our skin and it has also some anti-aging property. It is a great exfoliator and removes the dead skin. Besides this, it has also some health benefit. It regulates the blood sugar level, which is also helpful in type 2 diabetes mellitus and also in weight management purposes. Here I am taking 200 grams of strawberry, which I just washed and cut in within two of the pieces. Here I take 1 teaspoon of mint, 1.5 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and black pepper, 400 ml of cold water, honey 2 tablespoons. Here I already add strawberry, mint leaves and lemon juice. Then I'm going to add salt and black pepper. After that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. Here I'm not using any sugar. After that, I'm going to add 400 ml of cold water. Then blend it for 10 seconds. My strawberry juice almost preparing done. This is the look. Now I'm going to serve this juice. So here I just give the strawberry in 2 pieces, cut it down and just put it in the glass. Then I'm going to add 1 lemon slice. It looks so yummy and it's a very healthy and delicious, especially in summer. Then I'm going to add 1 mint leaves. So this is the final look of my strawberry juice. Please try to make this recipe at home, and this is very healthy and delicious recipe. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video and let me know your opinion through the comments. Thank you so much for watching.